Hey guys, it's ArtSea and today I am showing you a super easy Balisong combo I came up with. It is some of the easiest tricks you can think of. So before attempting this video, you're gonna need to know basic opening number 1, the never ending roll, the basic twirl, and closing number 5. And all of those videos and links are up above and down in the description below, so you could go watch those before attempting this. Also, there's 89 midnight waves left on my site. This is the knife that I made myself. So when I sell all 89, I will do an age reveal of my age. I have never told anyone on YouTube or publicly my age, and I know it's been like 8 years of doing this, but finally I will do an age reveal once all of the knives are sold. First, I want to tell you that my Discord is a great place for beginners if you're trying to learn tips and tricks and talk to a community. And I'll also answer questions if you type in the general chat any questions you have about Balisong flipping. So join my Discord, it's free, and it's down below in the links. So you're going to start off by holding the safe handle. That's the one where if you have your knuckles right here, the blade will not be touching your knuckles, it will be the back of the blade. So there's going to be 4 different tricks mixed into this combo, and all of them are down below and up above with links. So hopefully you've attempted all these tricks before doing this combo. So you're going to start off with basic opening number 1. Basic opening number 1 looks like that, but you're going to be doing half of that. So you're doing a double rollout basically. And then when you get to this position, you're going to flip the knife to the left. Okay, so let's start over. So you're going to do double rollout and then flip the knife to the left, like that. Then you're going to be getting your index finger and doing the never-ending roll. So the never-ending roll looks like this. You're doing 2 of those in this trick. So you're in this position, you're getting your index finger, and you're coming around, catching it like this. That's 1 rotation. And your middle finger's on the back of the safe handle. You're flipping over again, doing another rotation, and hopefully you've attempted this trick before doing this combo. So after doing 2 rotations, right, you're going to be in this position with your hand kind of like this, 3 fingers on the back of the safe handle. You're going to switch your grip. So you're going to take these fingers, put them under, and you're going to grab this handle like this, the safe handle, and you're going to put your index finger on the top of the, or on the back side of the safe handle, and your thumb, because you're getting ready to do a basic twirl. So it's going to be about half of the basic twirl. So if you're going to flip the knife back like that, then you're going to pivot with these fingers where your middle finger's doing a little bit of the pushing forward, and you're going to push the knife downward like that. So you're in this position and you're about to do closing number 5, but the opening version of closing number 5. So closing number 5 looks like this. That's the closing, that's the opening, right? So we're doing the opening version, and then you can close the whole trick with the closing version, which would be step 5. So let me go through it all again. So you're going to be doing basic opening number 1, then you're going to be flipping the whole knife to the side, to the left side. You're going to have your index finger all ready to do the never-ending roll. You're going to be doing 2 never-ending rolls like that. Then you're going to be in this position with your hand like this. You're going to take these fingers, shift them under, put your thumb on top of the safe handle, then also get your index finger on top of the safe handle. Flip to the left side again and get ready to pivot with your middle finger on the back of the safe handle, and your thumb comes under, and now you're going downward with the knife. And then when you're here, you're going to be doing the opening version of closing number 5, and then you can do the closing version if you want. And then the knife is closed or the knife is open. You can end it however you want. Thanks so much to all my Patreons. I really appreciate your support. It's how I get all my equipment and everything. So I love Tier 3 Patreons the most because I get to go one-on-one with them on Discord and talk through how to learn Balisong flipping. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to Tier 3 and I'll get you a lesson all set up. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, or comment below any questions you have and I'll make sure to answer. Or you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is right here and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.